make a saw table. I use this plywood. I think it's ½ inch in thicknesses, and split cut a rectangular hole in the center for the insertion of the blade from the underneath side. And this is my circular saw. It's a 18 mode rechargeable circular saw. It's 21 inch in width and 17 or 18 inch in length, in long, and I need to drill 4-piece screw hole on the corner of this plate, metal plate, and also did this hole on this board and use screw to mount the plate on this wooden board. And the difficult part is to make an additional features, and as the circular saw cutting the material, there is a lot of debris or chips fly away all around. So I want to use vacuum cleaner to collect them. So I need, this is the vacuum cleaner hose, and this is the guide cover here, movable, and I need to make another cover here to cover all around here and to attach the whole hose. So I need to make a cover with a connector here, so it can fit the hose on this, and at the same time this guide cover can be moved. So I need to design this cover a little bit, and I first draw the CAD file. I haven't this CAD file. I need to draw this part 3D in the computer, and decide the additional cover on it, and then I will 3D printing the parts. This has not yet finished. After finish up, I will print it on my 3D printer. Circular saw mounted on the table top, and also these wooden pins are added. It's 3/4 width and 1.5 inch long. And this blade guide can be operated. And later on I will make the leg 4 foot or leg. The 3D model, and the red boundary is the new part that I need to print this or made it. And this is the metal cover original. I need to drill 3 screw holes to mount this new plastic additional cover on the original cover, and this circular connector is used for connection of the hose. And the hook, that's the pin there here. It's not bad. And this connector can go into the hose. One thing I noted, there is a large opening here. It was established before. And to improve it, I need to use some copper sheet here and fit here. And in order to help the movement here of the float line, I need to cut a stick here. Now I'm going to fix them together. Here is the fit. This rubber sheet was made up, and also here 3 screws was mounted. Were used to mount this plastic cover onto this aluminum hook. And after doing some trimming work in order to make this rubber sheet good fit with the assembly, and also some 2 holes are drilled here or cut here to make way for the screw head. And then I'm going to use some adhesive glue to fix these sheets onto these plastic parts.
我唔使咁多錢，我使得過迷信錢咁大啦。係，多謝廚叔，廚叔啊，多謝晒你。你啊，點樣面試啊？係咯，廚叔啊，何福來客苑第1碗麵咧，一定要有廚叔你嚟食先係嘅。廚叔，你想食啲咩先？點啊？嗰時我大佬啲招牌肉麵嚟我哋樓下嘛。不要咁啦，嚟個中意男真人啊！見你啦，大佬。
莜麵加汁，師傅。
莜麵加汁，加咩汁啊？咖喱汁啊？
梗係腩汁啦，師傅。
咖喱汁，啊！
招風嚟打多，
點知嘅啦？中風都唔頂嘅。
廚叔，呢個我知道啊。
早兩日啊，廚叔病咗，有得賣。
冇嘢問你。
我都知啊，陳 Sir。 佢個主席你睇，阿公啊，我錯等我講噶嘛。阿 Sir， 阿傳叔已經唔喺，佢已經過咗身。你係咪過身啊？跟住講㗎。我幫佢，我希望佢總北方啦。你睇，張主席佢都寫得 OK 咗啦，眼高咗少少啫嘛。你睇。唔好意思啊，同學。嗱，黃錦良先生，黃錦棠先生，由於何福來合院面交嘅指牌已經過咗身，政府會依例取締呢個大品牌。我哋食環署咧會核實何永全先生嘅死訊，核實之後10日之內。你講咩10日啊？平時同我辦啫，而家我面當有事啊，你喺度我反背康，我幾箱紅油啊，我都未見到俾嗰啲啊。嘈啦！佢又好嘈，應講我哋唔講，唔應講我哋唔講。你幾廿歲人啦，講幾次點樣得到啊？阿叔，去食環署度傾下咯。話晒啊，都幾廿年冇試過。但係之前冇錢係，咁啊係。支持佢嘅老豆全仔都唔做。人哋嘅仔啊，想做都冇得做。新嘢食喎，嚟試下食㗎，係啊，嚟試嘅試嘅。
我見對面餐食蛋撻執笠啊嘛，咁有咁多記者，我咪請曬你哋翻嚟咯。
我同我大佬。
你好啊，我南方日報記者，你係咪合院嘅另一個老闆啊？
係啊，我老豆黃錦良啊，梁哥啊，合院嗰啲招牌雲吞麵咧，後製咯。
黃生，咁你有咩地同你啲餐店有冇賣先？
講下你嗰啲招牌豉油啦。我諗合片真係可以繼續做落去，阿爸你點睇啊？喂，個仔問你嘢啊！今個月尾咧，就合院最後你，發咩癲啊？喂，而家我投資咗好地地，政府又冇再逼我哋，要我哋執咯。呢度咁多股票，仲係叫做逼啊？咁你想做到幾耐啊？就算我哋作到牌， 咁咪點啫？到時我哋兄弟死咗，又咪要爭，客院啊唔會留得耐嘅。嗱，客院呢個招牌，遲早會喺我哋手度嘅。要完嘅，就要好好睇睇。而家咁完得好好睇睇。唔知咩叫完得好？我就係知咧，仲有客仲想嚟學嘢，我就仲想整啲嘢俾啲客食。做咗幾日，最落力嘅而家。食環署發言人再次發表聲明，以環境衛生為理由拒絕機構現階嘅重整。有議員認為食環署並冇適當咁採取政府。我認為呢政府取締大排檔嘅政策咧，令到香港咧少咗好多嘅特色嘅地方嘅。點解東京咧可以通街都係拉麵檔咧？我認為用衞生嘅理由咧嚟取締呢個大排檔做藉口咧係絕對唔合理。我覺得真係就算食啲冷飯啦，咁但係都係香港嘅食物餐，我覺得用料咁足，超過12蚊，你真係買飯㗎。個麵咧，做嗰啲之後要擺1日先用得㗎，新做嗰啲麵咧有水味重㗎。不過黃燜咧，我哥咧就要用嗰啲親手切嗰啲豬肉，切住嗰啲親手切落嘅，佢機器搞嗰啲咧咁樣啦，咬口啊！
This portion finished. Now building. See here. Almost finished, and here is the leg stand, and here I found this area, this portion interfere with the circular saw, so I need to cut off here. Before cutting off, I assemble another wooden piece here first and glue it and put the nail here. After dry a little bit, I start to cut off this area to make way for this power pad of the circular saw. And I found the recharger battery is bad, so I will going to use power supply to move the circular saw. And this leg assembly is here. I make this circular table, which is detachable. Yes, I can disassemble when I don't need to use it, so I can save the space. My living room is of limited space, and here this is foldable, and this is foldable, and that way, and it was mounted by screw stud, and each area I use 2 hex nut. Another hex nut is to fix the position, and here I put on another wooden pieces to reinforces it, and here I put on 2 wooden block because the position is in here.